ICANN has launched a tool called the Name Collision Observatory, or NCO. This is a web-based tool that helps GTLD applicants understand whether a proposed GTLD string may be at high risk of name collision before they submit an application. Name collision occurs when a name used in a private network results in a query to the public DNS. If the name from the private network matches a domain name in the DNS, it can cause confusion and produce adverse results. Name collision risk is evaluated during the string evaluation phase of the application process. If a string is identified as high risk, the applicant may be required to develop a mitigation plan, which can add cost, time, and complexity to the application. So it's helpful to understand early if your string is potentially at risk for name collision. The Name Collision Observatory does not determine whether a string will pass or fail evaluation. It provides a database signal derived from DNS query frequency to help applicants understand whether a string might present an elevated risk for name collision. The NCO aggregates data daily from multiple sources. This includes several root server operators, as well as publicly available data from two recursive DNS resolvers, Cloudflare and QAX. To use the tool, enter a proposed string. Internationalized domain name strings may be entered directly or as puny code. The NCO returns a magnitude score from 1 to 10, representing the relative frequency of DNS queries observed for that string. To compare the string data to other strings, click Comparative Stats. The Comparative Magnitude Data table displays the magnitude score and score rank for the most queried TLD strings, whether delegated or not, on a specific date. The date is selected automatically based on data availability for root server operators and at least one recursive data provider. The magnitude score should not be interpreted as an absolute risk rating. Also, avoid cross-source comparisons. Scores from one source are only comparable with data from the same source because the data contexts are not equivalent. The Name Collision Observatory is only one of the tools available to help assess name collision risk. Potential applicants should not rely on NCO alone and are encouraged to conduct independent research as part of their overall application preparation. If you have additional questions, please contact Global Support at globalsupport@icann.org